Hey, what's good, YouTube? I got something exciting to share with you today. I'm going to show you 10 websites that will pay you every single day just by working with them from the comfort of your own home. Now, the good thing about most of these companies that I'm going to show you is you don't have to work a set schedule. You can work anytime you want and you don't need any experience. This is going to be a good video, so stay tuned. Alrighty, my friend, let's get into it. Now, if you're jobless right now, or you just need to make some money on the side, then you definitely want to pay attention to this video because I'm going to put some money in your pocket. Now, if you don't have any experience, like I said at the beginning, if you're not a technical person, don't worry about it. If you don't have a college degree, don't worry about it. I'm pretty sure if you pay attention to this video, I got something for everybody. Now, you definitely want to pay attention all the way through because out of these 10 jobs that I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to reveal my favorite ones. Now, let's jump into it. Okay, my friend, the first job that I have for you today is a company called Field Agent. And you get paid with this company by utilizing their app. They're going to give you an app to download on your smartphone. It can be an Apple phone or Android. It really don't matter. As long as you got either one of those, you can start making money. And how you go about doing that is you go around to different businesses and collect photos, videos, and other information about the business to help them improve their product and services. And you get paid anywhere from $3 to up to $12 by doing that. So you're going to be making money and you're going to be making a difference at the same time. This is a really good company to work with. I've done research on it and everybody always talking good about Field Agent. So when you come to the website right here where it says make money with your phone, become an agent, you can click right here. And this video will go into more detail on how this app works. It's pretty straightforward, guys. So you can get started making money every single day. They pay every single day via PayPal. Now, the second job that I have for you is a company called Lime. You probably heard me talk about this company in a past video that I done. And basically what Lime is, it's a scooter renting service. It's very similar to Uber and Lyft, and you can get paid by charging up electric scooters. It's pretty easy, guys. And just like with the other company, they're going to give you a app to utilize, and the app has a map on it, and it's going to show you where all the scooters at in your location that needs to be charged. And you just go pick the scooter up, you scan it with the app. It's got a little QR code on it. You scan it with the app, you load it up in your vehicle, you take it home and you charge it. You put it out. You have to put the scooters out anywhere before 7 a.m. And when you do that, you get paid same day. And this company right here can pay you anywhere from $5 to up to $15 per scooter. And they also would give you 3 chargers to work with. It's just like charging up a phone. It's very simple to do. Now, to get started with Lime, you go right here where it says charge scooters. You click on that and you fill out this information here and click apply. And you can start working with them starting today. Okay, let's head on over to number 3. And this company is called OneSpace. And you can get paid by becoming a freelancer with OneSpace. They will pay you to enter receipts into a database. They will pay you to write content, articles, and things like that. This company will also pay you to do research work. So I'm pretty sure that there's something for everybody here. If you're interested in this company, you can definitely come to the website and see what they're about. You can scroll down. You can check out their social media. You can check out their about section here. And this company right here pays every single day. They have other tasks that you can do, guys. I just named a few because I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, this company right here is definitely worth checking out. Now, number 4 is a company called GigWalk. GigWalk is very similar to the company I talked about at the beginning of this video called Field Agent. And just like with Field Agent, GigWalk will pay you to go around to different businesses and stores to take photos, videos, and check price tags. And they do this to help businesses improve their service. So you'll be doing something good here. They are both definitely good to work with. With GigWalk, you can make anywhere from $3 to up to $100 per task. And with Field Agent, you can make anywhere from $3 to $12 per task. So I'll leave you access to both of these companies, and you can choose whichever one you want to work with. Now, number 5 is a company called Scribby. And what Scribby is, it's a transcriptionist company. If you're familiar with transcriptionist jobs, you can basically get paid to convert audio files, video files into text form. And it's pretty simple to do. With most of these companies, you will have to be a fast typer. But if you're not a fast typer at all, I will show you at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get access to a hack video that I did a while back to show you how to type fast without typing at all. And you also need to be good with grammar. But if you're not good with grammar, I will also give you access to a tool, a free tool that will help you get your grammar up to par. So if writing is your thing and that's something you want to do, coming in at number 6 is a company called ClearVoice. And ClearVoice will pay you to write for top brands. And you can see some of them right here. Pesa, Carfax, Intuit, LifeLock. These are major brands, and they work with many other brands. Now, to get started with this company, you come to their website, you create a profile, then you submit some of your work, and they're going to hire you based on what you know how to write about. So there are so many different things that you can write about with this company because they work with so many brands, and you can get paid pretty decent. So like I said, if writing is your thing, definitely check out ClearVoice. Now, coming in at number 7 is a company called QMe. And QMe will pay you to shop online. They will also pay you to share your opinion, like doing surveys. And they will also pay you to just do searches, like on Google and Bing. And you can see right here that they work with Google, eBay, Amazon, Bing, Walmart. So they will give you this app that's going to be like on the side of your computer or phone. And every time you do a search, you get paid. Every time you shop, you get paid. So you'll be doing searches on Google, Bing, and you'll be shopping for Amazon, eBay. That's just to name a few, guys. There are many other companies that you can get paid with by utilizing the QMe app. Now, moving on to number 8 is a company called Bird. And Bird is just like Lime. They will pay you to charge up scooters. I'm not going to go through everything about this company because they are very similar to Lime. Lime may be a little better, just like Lyft is better than Uber. So if you're interested in any one of these, you can check them out. You can click right here to download the app. The app will show you where all the scooters are that need to be charged. You scan the QR code that's on the scooter, you take it home, you charge it, you get paid the same day. Okay, my friend, let's go over to number 9. And number 9 is a company called Testing Time. This company will pay you up to $60 an hour to test out products from the comfort of your own home working via Skype. They will give you first-hand experience with new apps that come out and new websites. And all you do is test these apps and websites and give your experience. That's all you do. You're just basically helping them improve their products, and you can get paid pretty decent money by doing that. So you can come to the website and look at some of the customers that they have. And to get started, you can click right here where it says become a tester and start earning today. Now we're gonna hit on number 10, guys. This is my absolute favorite way to make money, and I'm actually doing this myself. I don't do it full time. I do it maybe 1 to 2 hours a week because I'm so busy doing other things. But I've actually made money with this company. They're called Simple Social Tools. And in a nutshell, how you make money with this company is you help businesses get leads. That's what you do. If you know anything about business out there, your business is not going to survive if you don't have a constant lead flow. So you're going to be the savior of the day by going out there, giving these businesses this tool, and you're going to get paid every time you do that. I'm going to show you some proof right here, guys, just to show you that this is real. If you see the $13.50 right here, this is where this company has been paying me. You can ignore the other amounts, but just look at the $13.50 here. This company been paying me, this the date. Company been paying me every single day, and I've been doing this very minimum, guys. If you do this full time, you can make an extra $100 a day, $200 a day, up to $500 every single day with this tool. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you're interested in that hack and you want to type online for companies, you know, typing up articles and things like that, I'm going to leave all the information below so you can get access to everything I talked about in this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button because I share content like this all the time, guys. I'm here to help you make money. I'm here to help you generate leads for your business. I'm here to help anything business related I talk about on this channel. So hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll make another one for you probably in the next couple of days. Thanks for watching. Peace.